In this video, I'm going to reveal 10 affiliate programs for affiliate marketers. So in this video, I'm assuming that you are an affiliate marketer that wants to work with other affiliate marketers to help them grow their business. And I've come up with a list of 10 very good programs that are going to help you make money and help them grow their business. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. 10 affiliate programs for affiliate marketers. Now, #1, and I should say they're in no particular order, but the first one we have here is with Fiverr. Now, as you know, you can use Fiverr to do anything. And the great thing about it is you can make pretty good money with Fiverr. Now, Fiverr has a little weird setup here where they offer 2 different ways to make commissions. You can either do just the straight way where you earn a percentage, or you can do cost per action. Now, as you can see here, you can earn up to $1,000 for a single conversion. Now, that really all depends on the service that the customer signs up for, your target audience signs up for, and how often, if it's a business. There's a lot of variables in there, but you could make up to $1,000 for a single conversion. Now, again, they have a regular affiliate program, and then they have a CPA program where you can earn like $100 and some other commissions as well. But Fiverr can be a good opportunity. Now, if you're targeting other affiliates, you can use Fiverr for creating YouTube thumbnails or having someone write blog posts or create YouTube videos. There's a number of opportunities within Fiverr. So it's a really good opportunity, and you would just put your affiliate link down in the description of your YouTube video or blog post, whatever medium or format that you are using, but Fiverr is a good one. The next one is actually with Legendary Marketer. Now, if you are targeting or you want to work with other affiliates, Legendary Marketer is a really good program to teach internet marketing. They offer a 15-day, $7 course that's going to teach people the basics of affiliate marketing on the front end. You would receive a commission, but then they have a very strong value ladder on the back end, and they actually have 2 levels of affiliate marketing. They have a basic, which is $0 per month, and then they also have a pro, which is $29.95. Now, the difference between the basic and the pro is with the basic, you can receive commissions up to 30%, but it's probably going to be closer to the 5%. But with the pro, you can receive commissions between 20 and 60%. Now, the great thing with this affiliate program is you can make $5,000 or more plus reoccurring income with just this program. So this is a very good opportunity, and it's going to teach marketers how to actually grow and scale their business the right way. All too often we have YouTube videos that give partial information, and then they're trying to get you to their course, but you can get people over to a $7 15-day course where they can learn affiliate marketing step by step. So that is #2 with Legendary Marketer. Now, #3 is actually with TubeBuddy. Now, TubeBuddy is designed to help you get ranked and to grow and scale your business on YouTube, and you can receive up to 50% reoccurring commission, and their pricing is not cheap. If we take a look at their pricing here, TubeBuddy is free for everyone. Obviously, you won't receive a commission on free, but people that get serious about TubeBuddy and they start seeing success on YouTube, they can come back and they can pay up to $49 per month, and you could get up to 50% commission on that just for referring people over to TubeBuddy so that they can grow their business with YouTube. So don't sleep on TubeBuddy. I have a link in the description, and I do make some passive income. You'd be surprised how relatively easy it is, especially if people see you growing your business with YouTube. They'll say, okay, maybe he's using TubeBuddy to help them grow. So after TubeBuddy, we actually have Adobe Affiliate Program. Now, the Adobe Affiliate Program is one that not a lot of people talk about, but it can be a good opportunity. Monthly subscriptions, 85% the first month, and then you can receive $8.33%, or excuse me, you can receive commissions of 8% every month after that. So the reason why someone would want to use Adobe as an affiliate is, let's say, thumbnails. That's going to be a good opportunity. Premiere Pro, if they're doing video editing, that's going to be another good opportunity as well. If they are taking pictures, let's say they're doing Instagram or Snapchat marketing, they are going to probably use something like Lightroom, but Adobe Affiliate Program can be a good opportunity. I do have a blog post on it on my website, alstongodbolt.com, if you want more information. But the Adobe Affiliate Program can be very good if you are looking to work with other affiliates, and there's a number of uses. Now, the great thing with the Adobe Affiliate is they do have a suite of products, and the suite of products isn't cheap. I believe there's a plan that starts at $52 just for one product, let's say Premiere Pro, and then the cost for the suite monthly reoccurring, it actually increases from there. So the Adobe affiliate program can be a good opportunity if you are looking to target people that are interested in video editing, maybe creating thumbnails or images. After the Adobe affiliate program, we also have Canva. Now, Canva is a very good opportunity. Now, I commented on someone else's video last week that Canva is probably the best free tool for affiliate marketers out there because it's really easy. You can jump on, create whatever you want. You can use the mobile app to create whatever you want. And they have so many different tools. They have tools for TikTok and Pinterest and Instagram. You can create blog posts and infographics. You can create an ebook right in Canva, and it's really easy to use. They have a free version and a premium version, and you'd be surprised how many people actually use the Pro version, and you can make up to $36 for each new Canva Pro subscriber that signs up. And again, you would just put a link in your description if you're creating YouTube videos, add it to your blog if you have a website, and you can make passive income. And I can almost assure you that everyone has used Canva if you are an internet or digital marketer, because it's very easy. You just jump on canva.com, you go and you type in the template that you want. Maybe you want a Facebook image or a Facebook infographic, type it in, create it, and go. Everyone uses it. And the cool thing with Canva is they have free images and stock photos that you can use, but then you also have premium stock photos that you can use as well. And oftentimes I find myself gravitating to the premium or paid stock images because they look a little bit nicer. But Canva is a very good opportunity for affiliates that want to start making money with other affiliate marketers. Now, after Canva, we have the old faithful, which is Amazon Associates. Now, I would only use Amazon Associates for microphones, for camera lighting, as you can see, camera, video editing, things of that nature, cameras, things of that nature, physical products. The reason why I still like Amazon is you can stack commission. So for example, you can add your affiliate link for this microphone, but while the customer is over buying the microphone, they might add in a filter, a pop filter. They might add in a video screen recording software. They might add in a keyboard. And before you know it, you actually make a commission of $70 or $80 per person. And there's a number of ways that you can do it. Amazon Associates makes it real easy. They give you something called one link, where you can link your one Amazon Associates account to all of the different Amazon companies around the world. Now, the interesting thing with Amazon is they have an Amazon US, which is Amazon.com. They have an Amazon Canada, which you would need one link for, in Germany, in India, and all of these other locations. And you use one link to sign up so that all of your purchases come to that one location. But Amazon is a good opportunity for most physical products. After Amazon is IDPLR. Now, if you're an affiliate marketer, I'm sure you've heard of IDPLR. IDPLR is a place that you can go where you can get private label rights software. It can be an ebook, it can be websites. There's a whole bunch of stuff over on IDPLR where you can use that to grow your affiliate marketing business. Now, I'm sure you've seen a lot of videos where people are promoting and telling you that IDPLR is a good opportunity. And now you see why, because you can earn a 20-cent commission for free members, and you make 35% for gold members. Now, the cool thing with IDPLR is they give away 2 free downloads when you first sign up. After that, you have to enroll in the gold membership, and you can start making money just by sending people over to the free. So if you want a free 20 cents, you just add in your IDPLR affiliate link, and you can make money, 20 cents per every new sign up. So it's a very good opportunity. And now you see why people are telling you to sign up with IDPLR. After IDPLR, we have HostGator. Now, HostGator is a great opportunity simply because all affiliate marketers, at least in my opinion, all affiliate marketers need a website. They at least need a domain name so that they can add a little bit more credibility and stop using those bit links. But with HostGator, you can make $65 per sign up per month for 1 to 5. If you move up and you have between 6 and 10 signups per month, you can make $75. And then, as you can see, if you have more than 21 signups per month, you make $125 per signup. So you can make very, very good money with HostGator. And HostGator is very appealing to bloggers, YouTubers. Let's say there's a TikTok affiliate marketer. HostGator is appealing to everyone, once again, because I believe all serious affiliate marketers have their own domain name and website where they can send people to get a little bit more control over that traffic. So HostGator is a very good opportunity. If you don't like HostGator, and there's a lot of people that don't like HostGator, you can always fall back on the old faithful of Bluehost. Now, Bluehost is very similar to HostGator. It's a web hosting company where people will go to create a website. They'll get a domain name for free for the first year, and you can make a $65 commission for every new signup. Now, if you get enough signups, if you meet the threshold, you can start making $100 per signup. That's why a lot of people are promoting Bluehost. It's available worldwide in a lot of countries, and everybody is familiar with Bluehost. They have a pretty good name in the industry, and everybody needs a website. And so if you are an affiliate marketer that is looking to work with other affiliates, you might want to recommend either Bluehost or HostGator for people that are just getting started. After Bluehost, we have Kartra. Now, Kartra is an all-in-one software, and it's a very good opportunity. It's an alternative to ClickFunnels, which we'll talk about in just a moment. But Kartra offers an all-in-one done-for-you solution for affiliate marketers. So if people are brand new to affiliate marketing and they feel like ClickFunnels might be too expensive, you can point them to Kartra, where you can do your email marketing, you can create online courses or teach them how to create online courses, you can offer bonuses. There's a number of benefits, create landing pages, do all sorts of stuff within Kartra, and you can make passive income. As an affiliate for Kartra, you can receive 40% commission of every sale reoccurring. So there's a lot of opportunity there. And you can actually create your own affiliate programs. There's a lot of benefits to using Kartra, and you do have to apply. They offer email swipe templates, they offer banner creatives. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff available to affiliates of Kartra, and you can get paid 40% reoccurring passively. If we take a look at the pricing here, if we click on that, as you can see, the price starts at $99 per month, and it goes all the way up to $499, depending on how big the affiliate gets. And I can guarantee you that if an affiliate marketer starts making money with whatever software they're using, they're going to stick with it because they don't want to start tinkering around and trying to fix what isn't broken. So if you work with affiliates and you get them on board with Kartra and they start seeing success, they're going to stay with Kartra regardless of what happens and regardless of what comes around. So Kartra can be a very good opportunity, but I believe the old faithful is ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels is very good for affiliates for a number of reasons. ClickFunnels is very good for a number of reasons. One, they offer up to 40% reoccurring commission. Two, if you have 100 active members or more, you can get money towards a dream car. So that's a very good opportunity. And three, most importantly, there's a very low barrier to entry. You can get people on board with a free plus shipping book. ClickFunnels has 4 books right now. They have copywriting secrets, traffic secrets, expert secrets, and .com secrets. Expert secrets and .com secrets are probably must-read books for a lot of affiliate marketers so they can really learn and figure out their business. And once you get them on board as an affiliate and they become an affiliate, you can start making passive income. Just like I mentioned with Kartra, if your affiliates start seeing success with ClickFunnels, they're not going to change. They're not going to break it up. They're going to stay with it because it's bringing them money. Now that you know the 10 best affiliate programs for affiliate marketers, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link in the description, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click that first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also, check out my website, alstongodbold.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.